Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessages and FaceTime. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your iPhone but you don't know that, how can you fix this issue? So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, scroll it below, and then tap on general, and then tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on date and time and set your date and time and turn this toggle to set automatically, and after that go back and then tap on language or region and select your region correctly, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. Still having this problem, then you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and check if the problem is fixed or not. Still having this problem, then you have to just simply go back and then you have to just simply shut down your iPhone, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply go back and then tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and presentation and turn this toggle off. After turning it off, you have to just simply sign out your Apple ID, and after that sign in again and restart your device for one time, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team and they will try to fix your problem. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.